So let's actually look at this RISC-V register file. So the first group we're looking at is the fixed purpose group. So these have hardwired functions. So the registers in this group are X0, which has 0 as the hardwire functions. It always returns a value of 0. We have X1, which we call RA, which is the return address. X2, the stack pointer. X3, which is a global pointer. We have X4, which is a thread pointer. We then have the temporaries group. These are X5 to X7, which in code we name T0 to T2. And we have X28 to X31, which we name T3 to T6. And these are really used for caller saved registers for temporary storage during our function calls. We also have the save registers, X8, which we call S0 or FP. We have X9 for S1, and X18 to X27, which is S2 to S11. And these are callee saved registers preserved across function calls. So you'll notice that we have the caller saved registers and the callee saved registers, and these will work hand in hand. We also have the function arguments and returns register group, and these are X10 to X17, and we typically name them A0 to A7, and they are used to pass function arguments and return values from our subroutines and functions and things like that. Then we also have our special cases, and S0 could be used as what we call a frame pointer, and it helps in stack frame management during function calls. We look at stack frames and how we do stack frame management. I just want to keep this in mind when you see it coming up. So these are the groups of registers in the register file. We will be working with all of them, and you'll get to understand different functions. And I'll try to make it as simple as possible so you'll get a good understanding.